Students, see question number 11. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB equal DE, AB parallel DE, BC equal EF and BC parallel EF. Vertices ABC are joined to vertices D, E and F respectively. Show that quadrilateral ABED is a parallelogram, quadrilateral BEFC is a parallelogram, AD parallel CF and AD equals CF. Quadrilateral ACFD is a parallelogram, AC equal DF and triangle ABC equal triangle DEF. So take first quadrilateral ABED. First part, in quadrilateral ABED, see from figure ABED, AB equal DE, AB equal DE given in question, AB equal DE and AB parallel DE. So here one pair of opposite sides of quadrilateral is parallel and equal, then it will be a parallelogram by the property of parallelogram. Here AB equal DE and AB parallel DE, that is given in question, given. Therefore quadrilateral ABED is a parallelogram. Since one pair of opposite side of a quadrilateral is equal and parallel, hence it is a parallelogram. Hence it is a parallelogram. Take second part. Second one is quadrilateral BEFC is a parallelogram. In similar way, in quadrilateral BEFC, here given BEFC, BC equal EF, BC equal EF and BC parallel EF is given. One pair of opposite side is parallel and equal, therefore it will be a parallelogram. BC equal EF and BC parallel to EF given, therefore quadrilateral BEFC is a parallelogram. Same property, because one pair of quadrilateral is equal and parallel, hence it is a parallelogram. Third part, AD parallel CF, AD parallel CF. From first, since ABED is a parallelogram proved above, therefore Therefore, AD equal BE. AD equal BE and AD parallel BE. Opposite sides of a parallelogram. And from second part, quadrilateral BEFC and quadrilateral BEFC is a parallelogram proved above. Therefore, BEFC, so BE equal CF and BE parallel CF. Opposite sides of parallelogram. This can be written as equation second and this can be written as equation first. So comparing first and second, here AD equal BE, here CF equal BE. It means AD equal CF. From equation first and second, we get AD equal CF and AD parallel CF. This one is third part. Now take fourth part. ACFD in quadrilateral ACFD. See from figure ACFD. We have proved AD equal CF and AD parallel CF. AD equal CF and AD parallel CF proved above. Therefore, quadrilateral ACFD is a parallelogram because one pair of opposite side is equal and parallel. Since one pair of opposite sides of quadrilateral ACFD is equal and parallel. So it is a parallelogram. Now see fifth part. AC equal DF. AC equal DF. See, in same quadrilateral, same parallelogram, in parallelogram ACFD, you have to prove AC equal DF. AC equal DF. AC equal DF. This is parallelogram, hence opposite sides of parallelogram will be equal. So you can write here opposite sides of parallelogram will be equal. So you can write here opposite sides of parallelogram will be equal. So you can write here opposite sides of parallelogram will be equal. So you can write here opposite sides of parallelogram will be equal. So you can write here opposite sides of parallelogram will be equal. So you can write here opposite sides of parallelogram will be equal. So you can write here opposite sides of parallelogram will be equal. parallelogram are equal. Next part, take triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF. AB equal DE given in question, and BC equal EF, that is also given, and third part is AB, BC and AC. AC equal DF, that is proved above. AC equal DF, it can be written as proved above. Therefore, three sides of one triangle is equal to corresponding three sides of another triangle, then these will be congruent by SSS congruency criteria. So triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF by SSS rule. So this one is question number 11.